The Trimax Ezeemow FX is our flail roller mower. This machine has excellent manoeuvrability, versatility and robustness. The Ezeemow FX is unique in that it can be fitted up to a compact tractor, giving you quality of cut on a different variety of terrains, giving you value for money. Customers suited to this kind of mower include contractors, councils, estates and orchards. Its capacity for mulching makes it ideal for cutting areas with small branches or prunings. Comes in 3 different sizes, requiring a minimum of 17 horsepower. The Trimax Ezeemow incorporates a unique design that allows it to cut fine turf, long grass up to 1 metre, or can even do mulching up to 25mm. It is equipped with the Gamma Flail, forged for strength and designed for aerodynamics. This reduces the horsepower requirement and generates an uplift in the cutting chamber for a clean cut. The rotor is dynamically balanced for smooth operation and maximise uptime, even in tough mowing conditions. The full width rear roller helps prevent scalping and assists with providing safe discharge of debris. It's much safer than a slasher, and also it can provide a nice stripe finish on fine turf. The Trimax patented unique converter allows for the Ezeemow FX to go from cutting fine turf to long grass in one simple adjustment. When in a downward position, the converter creates suction, which lifts the grass for a superb cut. Opening the converter is ideal for increasing the intake of heavy grass conditions. The discharge flap is designed to expel debris in a downward position behind the mower, making it safe to operate in public spaces. The Ezeemow FX is powered with a simple belt drive system and is easily adjustable. This system requires less horsepower and incurs lower fuel costs. With only 6 grease points on the mower body, the service maintenance has been designed to be quick and easy for maximum uptime. The Ezeemow is available in a right-hand offset or as a centre mount.